Welcome students, let us see a very simple and interesting question from the chapter sets. This is all about introduction of a set, about finite and infinite sets. So you see which of the following sets are finite or infinite. The set of months of a year. Okay. First, the set of months of a year. We know that a set having finite number of members, finite number of elements is known as a finite set, whereas if number of members, number of elements in a set is infinite, accordingly set is known as infinite set. So in this case, this is set of months of a year. So you know that in every year there are 12 months. 12 months means finite number of months. So this set is a finite set. This is example of finite set because there are 12 months in a year, means finite number of months, finite number of members of the set. So this is known as finite set. Second, these are all natural numbers, but this dot 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 shows that this is infinite. Okay, so obviously set of natural numbers, set of natural number is an infinite set. Example of infinite set. Now third, here 1 2 3, these are also natural numbers, but the maximum value is, the last member of this set is 100. So obviously here there are 100 members, 100 elements. So number of elements is finite. Here number of elements is 100, which is finite. So this set is a finite set. So this set is a finite set. Now see fourth one. The set of positive integers greater than 100. Officially there is no upper limit. All the numbers are greater than 100. So there are infinite positive integers greater than 100. There are infinite positive integers which are greater than 100. So this set is an infinite set. So this is an infinite set. And fifth, last, the set of prime numbers less than 99. Obviously we know prime numbers are 2, okay, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. And less than 99 means last prime number of this set, last member of the set is 97. So obviously here finite numbers of elements are here. So this is a finite set. This is a finite set. So very easily we can decide whether given set is finite or infinite. So hope you have understood it very well. We'll see some more problems in other videos to come. Please keep watching these videos and enjoy learning mathematics. Wish you all the best.